Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about first aid kits, but not the first aid kits everybody thinks about. Not the ones you get from the store that have just, your bare bones stuff in it. Not the little simple kits you can get online that are prepackaged with generic stuff that's supposed to work for everybody but don't. I'm talking about advanced first aid kits that are designed for you, your situation, and handle a little bit larger spectrum of injuries. All right? Now, there are some good ones out there, but the best ones are ones where you take some of these beginning advanced kits and that's what I'm looking for here. Customize it to fit you and your needs. In fact, any type of first aid kit you should be building to make it fit you and what you need. All right, so if you have a simple first aid kit right now, you need to take it up a step. Get to the next level where you have more advanced stuff in there, more types of bandages, gauze, splints, tweezers, all the special stuff you're going to need for some really serious injuries. All right, so that's one of the things I wanted to talk to you about was to get yourself prepped a little bit better when it comes to your first aid. All right, so one of the things I also want to talk to you about is getting your neighbors prepared and your relatives and coworkers, anyone that knows that you are prepping, because you don't want them coming and taking your stuff away from you and your family. To help you out on that, I'm going to put some links up here. I'm going to put the link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, which talks about gardening, indoor gardens, and things you can do to help your family get food and grow that way. Now over here, I'm going to put a link up here. I'll put a link to the prepping for beginners up here and prepping in private down here. These two videos playlists is what you really want to share with people. All right, so I'll go ahead and throw those up now so you can share them so they can get prepared so they don't take your stuff and leave you out wandering around like this.